Hey, welcome back to our channel. We are back at the farm with a fall update. Behind me is the combine. Yay! It's harvest season. Come on, let's go check it out. Grandpa just had to undo the whole header and get it ready for the hybrid canola. This is the header, and we still got to hook the hoses back up. This is the auger, which can spin out to fill the truck. It's really neat. The teeth here go on the belt and they pick up the canola or the wheat. They feed it in through there. And it grinds it so that it releases the wheat or the canola, stores it in a bin. Then you move it in to a big dump truck via the auger. Then you got to bale the straw. Let's go see the hay baler next.
Check this out. Did you know this chickens can eat it and humans can eat it? It's crazy, huh?
If the wind is really bad for this shot, but this is the silage pit area, and Grandpa has some carrots, fresh carrots that the boys are climbing, and he's going to scoop it into the silage pile once he starts silaging here next week. These are the cull carrots, the ones that don't make the cut, because they're wonky shaped, too small, too big, too wonky, funny. They got funny spots on them, but they're just fine. So we're gonna take some home. Lincoln, are you eating a carrot, Lincoln? Yeah. Wow, a nice sized carrot. Is it good?
I want to eat.
Gopher's even having a carrot snack. Look at him chomping away. Did you find a good carrot to eat, Gopher? There is the old silage pit, and there's the start of the new silage pit.
And that's actually just chopped straw in the middle.
Oh, and this is, are you going to push the chopped straw into the silage too when it's ready?
Old straw bales.
Oh.
So we just add that to the mix too.
The old straw bales are being added to the mixture, and the carrots. Gotta hurry on those carrots. They're starting to look, they're looking pretty done. And there's the hay baler. Timber! Yeah.
That's the main plunger.
I see it.
It's the same size as the baler.
Oh.
And it keeps pushing it, but there's no new material coming in, so it doesn't keep pushing it back.
Right.
Right? Then what happens?
Stay here.
Coming in, okay, there's this snuffer here.
Yeah.
Right? And when that is full, down,
Oh, cool.
and then it
Pushes it up.
in,
Yeah.
and then the plunger pushes it.
That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I see. Grandpa was just working on cleaning out the grain bin, the auger, and the combine because the hybrid canola is so special. It has to be all cleaned out. He was just doing wheat. So now he's cleaning it out to do canola, and the hybrid canola specifically. So this is an update. This is the canola in that other video, farm video I had with the bee tents. It's now ready. And when you crush it open in the combine, there's your canola. Right there, all these little seeds. Whoopsies, as I lose them all. So this is the hybrid canola, ready to be combined.
Here's a good one. My castle.
You're building a castle out of wheat, like sand. Nice. Okay, Lincoln, that's enough laying in the wheat. You're gonna have to have a bath. Grandpa's wheat pile.
Yep. So that's soft wheat is what I grow now.
Soft wheat.
Yep.
You used to do hard wheat.
Yep, I did.
Soft
And
wheat
the reason I
because...
quit is because soft wheat's worth almost the same money. Actually, right now it's worth the same money as hard red,
Really?
and it out yields hard red.
No way. Well then, yeah,
It
I'd
gets a yield.
switch.
We're in the back of the truck. We're in the back of the truck. We're in the back of the truck. Yeah. There's lots of stuff here. Cheese. Cheese.
Can you tell me about these bugs that you're killing? Lincoln, watch your
So
fingers.
these bugs, I'm killing like maple bugs, and there's like big ones like this. They're humongous.
Oh yeah? Where is it? Let me see.
It's right there.
Oh, you squashed it.
He's done.
Oh.
He's done.
This is Mommy's worst nightmare, maple bugs.
That's my worst nightmare too.
One time I got a maple bug in my shirt and I was stripping in the driveway. I was not happy then.
Oh, no. Darn it. There.
Oh my gosh, that's
Okay.
disgusting.
There.
What is they eating?
I don't know, but they like that spot. Or are they
Oh.
all?
They're all mating.
Yeah, that's what I think they're doing.
That's why there's so many maple bugs. That's
Look
what
at
they're
how many
coming
there are
for.
there.
Okay, give me a wave. Give me a wave. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, GoFo.
Say we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time, GoFo. We'll see you next time, GoFo.
Oh, another
Another
a
yellow one.
yellow one, Lincoln. That's yellow.
Quite a few yellow ones.
You are
in
not
there.
good at your colors. That's not even close to red. Half of the fun of a road trip is finding the best pit stops. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little farm fall adventure that we had at the farm. Feel free to check out our farm playlist next. I'll link that in the description below for you guys.